Hi guys, it's 3:30 in the morning and we're getting ready for our road trip today. We are heading to a place called Philippine Island and it's going to take us about 2 hours drive to get there. So let's go. Philippine Island lies about 14 kilometers off the coast of Nasugbu in the province of Batangas. Getting to Nasugbu will take about 2 to 3 hours of driving depending on traffic. It is possible to get to Nasugbu via Tagaytay, but I decided to take the scenic route via Ternate through the Kaibeyang Tunnel. It's a bit farther, but has less traffic, and the view is much more majestic. We have arrived at the Philippine Island Beach Resort and we're headed to the boat right now. It's going to be about an hour and a half boat ride to reach the island. We finally found our spot, but we decided not to rent a tent anymore. We're just going to get a table here under the tree. Time to explore the island a little bit. The Grecian-inspired columns up there in the hill, they are the main characteristic of this island which draws the tourists here.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So we're done swimming for today, and I must say, this beach, crystal clear waters, there's a beautiful coral reef, there are plenty of fishes. It's just like being inside an aquarium. So the story about this island is that a few years back, it was a very luxurious and private resort, but apparently it got too expensive to maintain, primarily because there's no fresh water and no electricity on this island. So in the end, you can't drink luxury and it's not going to turn on the lights. In the recent years, it has been open to the public, and the primary draw of this place was the Grecian design pillars on top of the hill. I don't know what that was supposed to be. I think it's just an aesthetic design, but apparently it works. So if you're planning to visit this island, just remember there are no facilities here. There are no restrooms, there's no fresh water, there's no electricity, but there's still a little bit of internet signal, so that's a plus. But at least the beautiful sights make it worth it in the end. Although it's not very well maintained, well, you gotta rough it up sometimes, right? Now, as for the food situation, as I said, there's practically nothing here on this island, so you're going to have to bring your own. It is advisable to bring ready-to-eat food, but of course, if you want something that is freshly cooked, grilling and barbecue is allowed on this island. It's past noon, we already had our lunch, so I decided to take one more stroll to capture a few more details. And of course, one last flyby of the island with my drone. It was a very fun day, but now it's time to go home. It really was quite a fun day going to the beach within a few hours drive from home. Not too expensive either. The total breakdown of our expenses for this trip is as follows. Like I said earlier, there are no bathrooms on the island, so you're going to have to wash up and take a shower when you get back to the mainland here at the Fortune Island Resort. By the way, another reminder, if you're planning to go overnight on that island, there are no shower rooms, so if you're going to go overnight, prepare for at least 24 hours without any showers. It's guaranteed you're going to feel very, very sticky by the end of the night. Okay, so since we're done showering and we're ready to go, time to go home.